This video will walk you through the first-time tutorial for Bluetooth controller. Now, we'll go through the unboxing. Slide open the box from one side and take out all included items. The package includes the following items. Next, let's take a look at the product's appearance. On the front side are capture button and shooting indicator LED, intercom mute button and mute indicator LED, media control button and status indicator LED. On the left side are volume up button, power on-off button, and volume down button. On the back side are silicone strap buckle, Velcro strap hole, and battery cover. Next, we'll show you how to install the button cell. First, please prepare a coin for removing and installing the battery cover. Use a coin to turn the battery cover counterclockwise. Once loosened, gently tap the controller downward to release the cover. With the text side of the button cell facing up, insert the battery into the side with the spring first. Then press down the other side until it clicks into place. Finally, place the battery cover back onto the controller and use the coin to tighten it by turning clockwise. Next, we'll show you how to pairing the Bluetooth controller. First, prepare the glasses, Bluetooth controller, and your phone, and place them together for easy operation. Both the initial onboarding guide and the settings page in the app provide access to the Bluetooth controller pairing process. The following instructions use the settings page as an example. Before starting, please ensure that the glasses are already paired with the app and that Bluetooth is connected. Tap Bind, then tap Start Pairing. At this point, press any button on the Bluetooth controller to power it on. If the status indicator LED flashes green once, it means the controller has successfully powered on. Then, tap green light flashed once. Note, if you do not see the green light flash, the controller may already be on. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to turn it off. The indicator will turn red for 3 seconds and then go off, indicating shutdown. Then repeat the power on step above. Next, put the glasses into Bluetooth pairing mode. Press and hold both buttons on the arms of the glasses simultaneously for 5 seconds.
Pairing.
Until the status LED starts flashing blue, and you hear the voice prompt pairing. Then tap blue light is flashing. Now put the Bluetooth controller into pairing mode. Press and hold both the power and intercom mute buttons for 5 seconds, until the status indicator LED starts flashing green. Then tap green light is flashing. After approximately 3 to 5 seconds, the Bluetooth controller will successfully pair. The glasses will confirm with a voice prompt, "Controller connected." Next, we'll introduce the button and indicator LED. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to power off. The status indicator LED will turn red for 3 seconds, then turn off. Press any button to power on. The status indicator LED will flash green once. Note, the Bluetooth controller will automatically power off if not connected within 2 minutes. Capture button works the same as on the glasses. Single press to take a photo. The status LED will blink white once. Press and hold for 2 seconds to start recording. The status and capture LED will blink white continuously. During recording, press once to manually mark a moment. Press and hold for 2 seconds to stop recording. The status and capture LED indicator will turn off. Intercom mute button works the same as on the glasses. Single press to mute yourself.
Mute myself.
Single press again to unmute.
Unmute myself.
Press and hold to mute everyone.
Mute all.
Press and hold again to unmute.
Unmute all.
Note, the intercom mute button functions only works when the intercom channel is enabled in the app. The intercom mute button works similarly to the glasses. Single press to play or pause music. double press for the next track. Triple press for the previous track. Incoming call, long press to reject. During a call, double press to answer. Double press to hang up. Single press the upper volume button to increase the volume. Single press the lower volume button to decrease the volume. Next, how to mount the Bluetooth controller on the handlebar. First, please prepare Bluetooth controller gasket. Large installation rubber bands, *2. Small installation rubber bands, *2. And Velcro strap. We recommend using rubber band to secure the Bluetooth controller, and selecting a large or small band based on your handlebar's thickness. Here's a demonstration using an arrow handlebar. First, attach the gasket to the back of the Bluetooth controller. Then, depending on your riding grip preference, choose to mount the controller on either the left or right side of the handlebar. Next, hold the controller in place and hook the rubber band onto the strap buckle, wrapping them in a crisscross pattern. Finally, check to ensure the controller is firmly secured and does not shift during use. Next, how to reconnect Bluetooth controller. After each ride, you can manually turn off the Bluetooth controller to save power. Before your next ride, make sure the glasses are powered on. Then, press any button on the Bluetooth controller to power on. The status indicator, LED, will flash green once, and the controller will automatically reconnect. It will usually reconnect automatically within 2 to 4 seconds. Once connected,
Controller
the glasses
connected.
will play a controller connected prompt, and the controller status indicator, LED, will stay green for 3 seconds.
BleeqUp Ranger. Your ride, your story.